Hi, this is Samsung Note 10 Lite disassembling video. Subscribe me on YouTube and click the bell icon to get latest video notification. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and today I am going to disassembling it. This device having three button, one power on and another two button is volume up and volume down. The left side of this device having SIM ejector holder and the rear cover is pasted with glue. So to remove the glue, you have to heat up the handset with 70 to 80 degree temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, and I am using hot air gun to melt the glue so that easily we can remove the rear cover. Let's go for disassembling. First open the rear plastic. I have to record a temperature meter to understanding the hot air gun temperature, so I am using it. You can easily get it from online store. Now this is the perfect temperature for disassembling handset. I am just skip this portion, but you can heat up the handset up to 3 to 5 minutes. It's enough to disassembling handset. Be careful at the time of disassembling to avoid the breakage. I think it's need to reheat. Now reheat again and start disassembling. Now it's come out. You can also use IPA. So IPA helps to open the glue easily. Now finally it's done. Okay, it's good. Now you can check the glue status. It's almost okay. You can reuse it. And one more thing, that all glues are pasted over the edge portion of the device. There is no glue over the camera portion. Now next, you have to open all screws over rear cover. To open all screws, you can use Samsung type screwdriver, 0.5 mm, and it's also available on online stores. Please check the link in description below. I have mentioned all tools list in description details, so that if you want or if you require those tools, you can easily order it from online stores. Before removing the screws, you have to open SIM tray. You can open the SIM tray or SIM holder by using SIM opener tool, as video like as. Now I have removed the SIM holder or SIM tray. Now this phone also having a stylus pen, so it's important that you have to open stylus pen first, then you can easily remove all the screws. You can see the stylus pen. Now open all the screws. This is the speaker module, and you can see here is the two gasket cover, which is protect charging connector, and 3.5 mm jack. This, those gaskets are helps to protect your handset from external damage like liquid and dust. And this is the speaker. Now next, remove antenna module screws and open the antenna module with wireless charging pad. This is charging pad, and you can see there is 4 pin available which is connected with PCB. Those 2 pins used for antenna connectivity and those 4 pins used for wireless charging. This is a PCB connector which is create connectivity between main PBA and sub PBA. Now we are going to open it. To open it, you can use SS93, and by detaching the APCB with sub PBA. Here is clearly mentioned over APCB sub, so you can easily remove it by using SS93. Just pull it out and it will be removed automatically. This is the main PCB side. You can also remove it by using SS93. Just pull it out over the connector and it will remove automatically. Now next step to open or remove coaxial cable. Here is 2 coaxial cable over there, and be careful at the time of removing coaxial cable because there might be chances to damage coaxial cable pin connector. So here is the 2 coaxial cable connector, one is the blue and another one is white, and first you have to remove the white coaxial cable and then you can easily remove the blue coaxial cable. Similarly, you can remove the opposite side which is connected with main PBA and follow the same process. To remove coaxial cable connector, you can use tweezer or SS93 tools as you wish, and which is better for you. Now this is the fingerprint sensor, and next I will going to remove it. Here is 2 screws over there. First remove 2 screws carefully. Now gently pull up the fingerprint sensor. It's done. This is a component which called biometric sensor. It's look like a camera. Actually you can see the difference between camera and biometric sensor Over the biometric sensor, you can see the two screws over there, and it's installed under the LCD. This is battery connector pin. You can remove it by using SS93 or any plastic tools. Don't use any metal tools like metal screwdriver, tweezer, because this is the battery connector, and this battery having 4 volt and 4500 milliampere current, so there is might be chance to damage circuit board or batteries. This is display connector and I'm going to remove it. And next is power key and volume up and down key. Both keys are connected with this connector, and I am also remove it. Now finally all connectors are removed. Now next step is removing the front camera. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite having 32 megapixel front camera, and it's removed right now, and the camera looks like this. This is the internal view of 32 megapixel camera. The Samsung Note 10 Lite having front camera which is focal length is 2 f2.2, and front camera does not support the autofocus, and it also does not support the iOS. Now finally all connector like display connector, battery connector, power key connector all are removed, and now next step is to remove the main board. Now there is a screws over main board. First you have to remove it, and after that you can easily remove the main PCB of the device. So just use SS93 tools to remove the PCB main. Now finally it's done. This is the main PCB of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. This one is vibrator motor. You can easily remove it by using tweezer. So it's too simple to remove it. Now we have removed all attachment like vibrator, cameras, speakers, and there is another part which is called sub PBA, which is installed in lower portion of this handset. Now next remove it carefully. There is two screws over the sub PBA. Just gently remove those screws and pull out the sub PBA. You can see in sub PBA there is a two connector. One is USB port which is C type, and another one is 3.5 mm headphone socket. Another two connectors are present in sub PBA. One is connected with touchscreen and another one is connected with main PBA or motherboard. This is the main motherboard of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and this is the rear portion of motherboard, and three camera attached with motherboard. Now next we are going to disassembling the camera portion one by one. To remove the camera I am using SS93 tools. Here is the main camera connector. Just pull out the main camera connector by using SS93, and this is the secondary camera which is telephoto camera. Both three cameras are attached with one frame. Be careful at the time of disassembling camera. Don't use any metal instrument. As you know, there is lots of assembly components near camera, so be careful at the time of disassembling, and hope this video will helpful for you. This is the complete teardown video of Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Hope you are enjoying this video. Thank you very much for watching this. Please subscribe my channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you very much for watching.